Hey everybody, Ed here, going for a walk in the backyard. Gotta go get my truck. It is around the way. I'm trying to avoid all cobwebs all over this place, but just want to show you what Tennessee looks like in the woods. Lots of fallen trees, little sunshine, big old fallen tree. These are oak trees, by the way. You guys are kind of curious. Hopefully this ain't making you guys too sick from motion. We got deer's path. We'll follow that for a second. This is my backyard, but obviously it's not something I go into. I just leave it raw, natural. Keep it in the green belt. And yes, I'm walking through all kinds of poison oak and briars and whatnot, but it's all good. As long as you don't rub up on yourself, you're okay. My biggest problem is ticks and chiggers getting all over me. Puh, puh. Or spider webs. Yes. Let's stop. Taking the scenery. Give it a once or so. I'll be able to see all the way through. The leaves will start dropping here soon. They're already starting to turn. It's not my favorite time of the year. It's pretty, but it reminds me that all the greenery is going to disappear. It's my least favorite time of the year. It's rather depressing, but oh well. Give up the good with the bad. The reason my truck's over here is because my lawnmower, my ride mower, had died, and I had to get tools and drive over here to get it taken care of. Ended up being a battery that died. This is my yard that I just mowed. There's my neighbors, my new neighbors. Their new gigantic house over there. And before we go get the truck, take it over to my little pond so you can have a look at it. It's probably the lowest my pond's ever been. Been pretty hot. Deer tracks all over the place in the mud. Frogs. There's crappie, brim, and maybe a bass or two inside this little pond. How they live, I have no idea. There's my little boat. It's usually in the water. Shows you how low the pond is. My pretty yard. Part of it. It's always nice to get out, stop, enjoy life, look around you. There's lots of beauty around you. People just forget to stop and look at it. Even these weeds right here. I think they're called Queen's Anne's. It's a pretty weed. This here's passion flower. I think they also call it thorn of Christ. It's Tennessee's, one of Tennessee's state flowers, I believe. Yeah. Stuck. Here's what's left. The old sheds. When I bought this property 10 years ago, these were on it. The trees have taken over, and that one's starting to sink into the dirt, starting to lean over. Yeah. Here's my truck. Surprised nobody drove off with it. It's been over here for a couple hours. Keys in it. That's my neighbor's house. Right over there. That's his garage shed. Like I said, there's my neighbor's big old house up there. Over to the side, around the corner is his big old garage. Almost the same size as his house. Yeah. Well, thanks for coming along with me on my walk to get my truck. Catch y'all guys later. Have a great Labor Day weekend. Bye.